In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a background in Photopea quickly and easily using two simple methods. Whether you want to clean up a product photo, isolate a person, or make your image transparent, Photopea gives you a couple of great options depending on the type of image you're working with. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy editing guides just like this one. Let's jump right in. First, open Photopea and load the image you want to edit. Once your image is on the canvas, take a look at the Layers panel on the right side of the screen. Make sure you click on the actual image layer because Photopea needs to know which layer you want to work on before applying any background removal tools. Now let's start with the quickest method. At the top menu, click Select and then choose Remove BG. This is Photopea's automatic background removal tool, and it works best when your subject has a fairly clear edge, like a person, object, or product photo with a noticeable separation from the background. If you're using the free version of Photopea, it may ask you to watch a short ad before it runs this premium feature. That's completely normal. Just follow the prompt, wait a few seconds, and let Photopea process the image. After that, it will automatically generate a layer mask and remove the background for you. In just a moment, your image should now have a transparent background, which is exactly what you want if you're planning to export it as a PNG or place it on a different design. If the automatic method doesn't give you a perfect result, don't worry. That's where the second method comes in, and it's especially useful for images with very simple or solid backgrounds. For this next method, use the Magic Wand tool. You can find it in the left sidebar toolbar, and the shortcut is W. This tool is best when your subject is placed against a plain background, like a white wall, a solid gray surface, or even a flat blue sky. Since the background color is consistent, Photopea can select it quickly and accurately. Once you have the Magic Wand tool selected, click directly on the background area of your image. You should see a dashed outline, often called marching ants, appear around the selected area. This shows that Photopea has identified the background you want to remove. If the selection is too small or too large, you can usually adjust the tolerance settings before clicking, but for many simple images, the default selection works just fine. After the background is selected, press Delete or Backspace on your keyboard. The background should disappear instantly, leaving only your subject on the canvas. If you see a checkerboard pattern behind it, that means the background is transparent, which is exactly what you want. At this point, it's always a good idea to zoom in and inspect the edges of your cutout. Look closely around hair, outlines, and corners to make sure everything looks clean. If you need a more polished result, you can always undo and try the other method, or make a few small adjustments to improve the selection. Once you're happy with the result, go ahead and export your image in a format that supports transparency, like PNG. That way, your removed background stays transparent when you save and reuse the file. So that's how to remove a photo background in Photopea using both the automatic Remove BG option and the Magic Wand tool for solid backgrounds. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.